Why do you think Islam is probably more attractive than Christianity to people? Like, why do they switch?
Why they are switching from Christianity to Islam? You see, all the religions are from God, the Almighty. We believe that there were prophets in every nation, in every people, since the existence of this world. Yes? So, and God sent His prophets in different nations. And according to our belief, and it is written in the Bible as well, that Jesus Christ said, I have come for the lost tribe of Israel. So, but, and Bible never claimed that it is for the whole universe. And according to our belief, we believe, and it is the claim of the Holy Quran, that this is the last book of law of God. And the Holy Prophet was sent for the whole of mankind. It has been mentioned in the Holy Quran that the Holy Prophet has been sent for the whole of mankind. And this law and the Sharia is the last Sharia from God Almighty till the end of the day. Right? So, this is what we believe, that since all the prophets were from God and all of them prophesied for the coming of the last prophet in the latter days, and according to our belief, that prophet was the founder of Islam, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, and according to our belief, Quran is the last book of Sharia, last book of law, and it is the only book which claims that this book of law is for whole of the mankind till the day of judgment. So this is what we preach. Those who accept, they are welcome. Those who do not, we don't have any disregard for them in our heart. Quran categorically says that there is no compulsion in religion. Although whoever holds whichever religion they want, they can hold. Despite the fact that now the truth has been manifested from the wrong, the right has been manifested from the wrong. So this is what we present before the people, and those who like this message, they accept. Those who do not like, even then they are our friends. They are human beings, and we regard human beings. Right?